Feeling overwhelmed by a never-ending list of tasks? Does your current project management solution leave you wanting more? If you're nodding your head frantically, then you're probably in the same boat as millions of others struggling to stay organized and productive. There's a sea of project management tools out there, each promising to be the ultimate key to unlocking your productivity. Today, we're diving deep into ClickUp, a popular contender that's been generating a lot of buzz. But before we jump into a feature frenzy, let's unpack the real question. Is ClickUp worth it for you? The ClickUp promise, all-in-one project nirvana. ClickUp positions itself as the ultimate project management powerhouse, boasting a comprehensive suite of features designed to streamline your workflow. From task management and to-do lists to collaboration tools and goal tracking, ClickUp promises to be your one-stop shop for getting things done. Sounds impressive, right? But is it just marketing hype? Or can ClickUp truly deliver on its promises? Powerhouse features. Unpacking the ClickUp arsenal. Let's delve into the features that make ClickUp stand out. Here are some key highlights. Highly customizable workspaces. ClickUp offers a unique hierarchy system with workspaces, lists, and tasks. This allows you to create a structure that perfectly suits your needs, whether you're managing personal projects or complex team workflows. Multiple list views. ClickUp doesn't force you to see your tasks in just one way. From classic list views to Kanban boards and Gantt charts, you can choose the view that best helps you visualize your workflow and progress. Built-in collaboration tools. Working with a team, ClickUp offers seamless collaboration features like document sharing, real-time chat, and assignable comments. You can keep everyone on the same page and eliminate communication bottlenecks. Automation powerhouse. ClickUp boasts powerful automation features that can save you tons of time. Set up automated workflows to streamline repetitive tasks, send notifications, and keep your projects moving smoothly. Goal setting and tracking. ClickUp isn't just about managing tasks. It allows you to set goals and track your progress. Visualize your progress with clear dashboards and celebrate milestones along the way. The ClickUp conundrum. Is it too much of a good thing? While ClickUp's features are undeniably impressive, there's a potential downside. With so much functionality packed in, ClickUp can have a bit of a learning curve. New users might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of options and settings. Additionally, some of the most advanced features like time tracking and advanced automations are locked behind paywalls in higher tiers. This can be a deal breaker for those seeking a free or budget-friendly solution. ClickUp. Who is it perfect for? So, who should consider ClickUp? Freelancers and solopreneurs. ClickUp can be a powerful tool for managing multiple projects, clients, and deadlines. The customization options allow you to tailor the platform to your specific workflow. Teams of all sizes. ClickUp scales well, offering collaboration features and project management tools that can benefit both small and large teams. Project managers. ClickUp equips project managers with the tools they need to keep projects on track, delegate tasks, and monitor progress. The automation features can be a huge time saver. ClickUp. Maybe not for everyone. However, ClickUp might not be the best fit for everyone. Here's who might want to look elsewhere. Those who love simplicity. If you're looking for a straightforward to-do list app, ClickUp's complexity might be overkill. Casual users. For occasional task management, ClickUp might be more than you need. Those on a tight budget, ClickUp's free plan has limitations, and some essential features require paid upgrades. The verdict. ClickUp, friend or foe? The truth is, ClickUp isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a powerful tool with a lot to offer, but it comes with a learning curve and might be feature-heavy for some users. Here's the ultimate test. Take advantage of ClickUp's generous free plan and explore the platform. See if it clicks, pun intended, with your workflow and preferences. If you find yourself getting organized, collaborating seamlessly, and actually enjoying project management, then ClickUp might just be your new best friend. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.